Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we'll explore delicious ways to use soybean milk in recipes and how to get the most health benefits from it. Let's get started. Making soybean milk at home. Want to try making it yourself? You'll need dried soybeans, water, a blender, and a nut milk bag or cheesecloth. Here's how. Soak the beans. Cover dried soybeans with water. Let them sit for 8 to 12 hours until they double in size. Blend. Drain the beans, then blend them with fresh water until smooth. Strain. Pour the mixture through a nut milk bag into a pot. Squeeze hard to extract every drop of milk. Cook. Heat the strained milk on medium, stirring constantly. Once it boils, lower the heat and simmer to kill off enzymes that cause bitterness. Cool and store. Let it cool before refrigerating. Homemade soybean milk lasts about 4 days. Pro tip. Save the leftover pulp, okara. It's packed with fiber. Use it in baked goods or stir fries. Whether you buy it or make it, soybean milk's journey from bean to glass is straightforward but flexible. Prefer control over ingredients? Go homemade. Need convenience? The store version has you covered. Either way, you're getting a drink that's as simple or as enhanced as you choose. Common myths and misconceptions about soybean milk. Soybean milk has its share of myths, some harmless, others downright misleading. From hormonal worries to GMO fears, misinformation spreads fast. But facts matter more than fiction. Let's set the record straight on 3 big concerns. The estrogen myth. Does soy affect hormones? People often claim soybean milk disrupts hormones because it contains phytoestrogens, plant compounds that mimic estrogen. But here's the truth. Phytoestrogens are weak compared to human estrogen. Your body processes them differently, and they don't flood your system the way animal estrogens might. Research backs this up. A review in Fertility and Sterility found no significant hormonal changes in men or women consuming moderate soy. Even better, soy's isoflavones might help balance estrogen levels, reducing menopause symptoms for some women. Worried about man boobs or feminizing effects? Studies show no link unless you're drinking gallons daily, which nobody does. GMOs and organic soybean milk. GMO soybeans dominate global farming, but that doesn't mean every carton of soybean milk is genetically modified. Many brands use non-GMO or organic soybeans, clearly labeled on the packaging. If this matters to you, look for certifications like USDA Organic or the Non-GMO Project Verified seal. The safety debate around GMOs is ongoing, but here's the key point. GMO soybeans are rigorously tested. Organizations like the WHO and FDA confirm they're safe for consumption. Still, if you prefer avoiding them, organic soybean milk is easy to find. Just read the label. Your choice doesn't have to be a guessing game. Digestibility and allergies. Some people avoid soybean milk, calling it hard to digest. While it's true that soy contains oligosaccharides, carbs that can cause gas, cooking and commercial processing break most of these down. If homemade soy milk upsets your stomach, try store-bought versions. They're often easier to digest. Allergies are a different story. Soy is among the top 8 allergens, affecting roughly 0.4% of people. Symptoms range from mild itching to severe reactions. If you're allergic, steer clear. But for most, soybean milk digests just fine, especially if introduced gradually. Fun fact. Fermented soy products like tempeh or miso are even gentler on digestion. If raw soybean milk bothers you, these might be worth a try. Bottom line? Soybean milk isn't the villain some make it out to be. With solid research and smart choices, you can enjoy it without the fuss. How to incorporate soybean milk into your diet. Soybean milk works everywhere cow's milk does. Just pour, stir, or blend. It adds a mild, slightly nutty flavor to drinks and dishes without overpowering them. Don't just drink it straight. Try these easy ways to make it part of your meals. Delicious soybean milk recipes. Soybean milk shines in recipes where its creamy texture and protein boost matter. These takes go beyond basic. Morning smoothie. Blend soybean milk with a frozen banana, peanut butter, and a handful of spinach. The milk's protein keeps you full longer than juice or water. Golden milk latte. Heat soybean milk with turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a drizzle of maple syrup. The fat in the milk helps your body absorb turmeric's benefits. Savory soup base. Swap cream for soybean milk in potato or mushroom soup. It thickens nicely when simmered and adds a subtle richness. Prefer something chilled? Mix soybean milk with matcha powder and ice for a caffeine kick without dairy. Using soybean milk in coffee and tea? Coffee shops charge extra for soy milk, but your home kitchen doesn't. Here's how to avoid curdling and bitterness. Heat it first. Cold soybean milk clumps in hot coffee. Warm it gently on the stove or microwave before adding. Pick barista blends. Some brands like Alpro or Silk make soybean milk specifically for coffee. They steam better and foam like dairy. Skip high acidity. Light roasts or citrusy teas may split the milk. Dark roasts or chai spices work smoother. For iced drinks, shake soybean milk with ice and espresso in a jar first. It blends cleaner than stirring. Soybean milk in baking and cooking. Bakers love soybean milk because its protein helps structure breads and cakes, much like dairy. Try these swaps. Pancakes. Replace buttermilk with soybean milk and vinegar. It makes fluffier stacks. Bechamel sauce. Use soybean milk instead of regular milk for lasagna or mac and cheese. It thickens the same way with butter and flour. Vegan mayo. Whisk soybean milk with oil, mustard, and lemon juice for a creamy spread. Tip. Choose unsweetened soybean milk for savory dishes. Vanilla or sweetened versions can clash with herbs or cheese. Whether you're mixing it into batter or frothing it for a latte, soybean milk adapts without fuss. Keep a carton handy, and you'll find dozens of ways to use it. Soybean milk isn't just another plant-based alternative, it's a nutrient-packed, versatile option that holds its own against dairy. With high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and benefits for heart and bone health, it's a smart choice for almost any diet. Whether homemade or store-bought, it fits smoothly into smoothies, coffee, baking, and meals without losing its nutritional edge. The future looks bright for soybean milk. As demand grows for sustainable, ethical food sources, soy stands out for its low environmental footprint. Farmers cultivate it efficiently, using less water than almond or dairy farming. Nutritionally, it bridges the gap for those avoiding animal products, offering a balanced profile that many plant milks can't match. Ready to give it a try? Start with unsweetened versions in your morning coffee or a post-workout shake. Found a favorite recipe or brand? Share it in the comments. We'd love to hear how it works for you in your next video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.